ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kajingsha J Jong Rakesh Newar Sangma ban Shimti como Chief Executive Member Batmai Jong Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kalami kajing persya akabajur bhane ki Sengbhalang bapher ha kabakila penlong ru de kajing yakhi kaba arsen kenti ban Weng no mardor yu na ka Shuki CM halor kanongrim ba umdai satya ujat benreu Garo bapura. President Jong Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo Peoples Garo Hills Zone upritam marak ukurwa bala pha shakilat pathai khubor ulaong balada Weng yo Rakesh Newar na ka Shuki CM ki Sengbhalang kin penbana na ka jingaki nado ka pratarik menta ubanai rempang arhajar arpuar.
We would like to inform the people of Meghalaya that because of the illegal appointment of Mr. Rakesh A. Sangma, who was earlier known as Mr. Rakesh Newar, the illegal appointment of him as the CEM of GHDC, we United NGOs, FKGGP, GSU, ADE, AYWO, and Northeast Students Organization have decided that we will relentlessly work to remove him from the post of the CEM of GHDC. And in that regard, we have already started our civil disobedience movement, of which the first phase and second phase has elapsed. And we have successfully conducted the first phase and second phase of the agitation. The first phase and second phase was the 1st and 2nd of February. There was a pen-down strike of district council, pen-down strike by the employees. And on the 3rd and the 4th of February, we called for a non-cooperation movement in all of Garo Hills, and it was a huge success. We would like to reiterate our demands that until and unless the present dispensation, the MDCs and the political parties, until and unless they decide and they remove Mr. Rakesh Newar Sangma from the post of CEM, then we will continue our agitations, continue our programs of our civil disobedience movement, and we are stepping into the 3rd phase, that is from the 8th to 11th of this month of February. We are calling for a night road blockade in all of Garo Hills from 9 PM to morning 5 AM. So in this regard, we would like the media houses to publish this message in your dailies, in your, whether it be electronic media or print media. We would like you to publish this information, this statement of our joint statement, so that the people of Meghalaya will know what is happening in Garo Hills. Thank you.